Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp into YakChat. Before you can add WhatsApp to YakChat, there are a few things you'll need. First, you must have a Meta business account. Second, make sure that account has a payment method set up, because Meta charges for WhatsApp messages, not YakChat. Third, you'll need a YakChat inbox that's linked to the phone number you want to use for WhatsApp. It's also a good idea to verify your Meta business account. Verification means your business name will show up in WhatsApp. You can add up to 20 WhatsApp numbers, and you'll be able to send up to 1,000 messages every 24 hours. To add WhatsApp to YakChat, all you need to do is link the phone number to your Meta business account. To do this, open up the YakChat admin portal. Go to the Numbers tab and find the number you want to use. Click it, then select Edit SMS number. Under Capabilities, tick the box for WhatsApp. Click Continue with Facebook. A login window will pop up. Make sure you log in with the same credentials that have access to your Meta business account. Meta will then send you a verification code by SMS or by phone call. Just enter the code, follow the prompts, and click Finish. YakChat will confirm once your number has been added to WhatsApp. Don't forget to save your changes in the admin portal. And that's it. You're now ready to send your very first WhatsApp message through YakChat. If you'd like to see how to send that first message, check out the video linked on screen now. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more YakChat guides.